I will talk about how can you find playlists on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find your playlist, so you just go down here, just click here on my library here down. When just click on my library, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on playlist, you just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all playlists you have. So here I have no playlists yet, but if you have any of your playlists, you will find it here on your Audiomack app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.